As a landscape contractor or grounds professional, you know best when it comes to what equipment you require to get the job done. At Steel Green, we understand this, and that's why we offer options to customize our machines to fit your needs. Here's one option: the Hillside Stability System. The Hillside Stability System is an optional feature available on all Steel Green spreader/sprayer models, including the SG36, SG42, SG46, SG52, and SGXL. Hillside Assist allows the operator to lock and unlock the front caster wheels on the machine for increased stability on uneven terrain, improving safety and efficiency. The caster wheels hydraulically engage and disengage without linkages, which keeps the caster wheels from getting stuck in the engaged position while on a hillside or bend. Operators are not required to stand on a pedal to keep caster wheels engaged. One flip of a switch on the dash, and they are engaged. If needed, the operator can stop, get off the machine and get back on, and the casters will stay engaged.